Today, training is given to the student, the method to rescue if someone falls into a crevice or someone is endangered. Today is a training of rescue mission, and the students are practicing this jet pulley system of rescuing. This is the victim, and there we have got another group of students practicing the same. And here we have another group of students. This is a situation when a climber falls into the crevice and being rescued by his teammate. This is a climber descending through the cliff by rappelling. And those groups of students are also practicing the same.